Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your online classes. Now student, what we done in our last lecture, I explain you chapter number 6, that is the food and nutrition. Now this is the revision number 2 of this chapter. Okay, now in this chapter I explain you all the things, and we completed which thing? Book exercise, that is given in the back side of your book. Now the whole exercise given in the page number 39 and 4040. We completed that thing, already completed. Now in this part, means revision number 2, what we do? We do written part, but student, in this chapter we don't write any question answer, because your paper comes which types? Optional paper. So for that you have to read the whole chapter, means whole chapter you have to read and you understand the chapter. Now whatever the question we ask in the examination, so you automatically tick the answer. You read the question and tick the answer. So for that you read the chapter, whole chapter again and again, and if you have any doubt, make a call to me, and also your mummy with you, your parents with you. So in front of your parents you have to read the chapter, and if any confusion related to regarding to any word, so make a call to me and ask me ki ma'am what is the meaning of this word. I explain you all the things about that word. Okay, now we start the writing part, but in the writing part what we do? We write only true, false, or fill in the blanks, or answer in one word. But related to this chapter we write only 2 questions. Okay student, that is the fill in the blanks, and next one is true and false. Clear? And I also send you this question in the form of worksheet, so solve it. Clear? Now first question is fill in the blanks. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Write number 1. Number 1 is, now this student, this, if you read this question, so you automatically solve the question. Those are given in the examination, but it given in the different form. Clear? Now the midday meal, and in this questions, means fill in the blanks and true, false, I include whole chapter. Okay, so for the searching of these answer of these questions, you read the chapter. Okay, now meal is a program launched by the government in which place? Student, I don't write the answer. I send you this question in the form of worksheet and also send the answer, but this is the task for you. Okay, in this lecture you attend all the questions and search the answer of this question, and tomorrow, means in the date 20, I send you answer, and I give you timing at 3 o'clock. I send the answer of this all the questions. Okay, but this is small test for you. So I write the question and explain you all the question, but I don't write the answer and I don't tell the answer. Okay. Now the midday meal is program launched by the government in which place? Clear, student? What I ask you in the first number, the midday meal is a program launched by the government in which place? Okay, so search the answer of this question. Now the second question is the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest organ of space Write the answer. The small intestine is the longest organ of which system that is related to your body? Means small intestines take a part in any particular system. So what is the name of that system? Write the name of that system. Now the number 3, a diet that contain all the nutrients in right amount is called a failure. Correct word. What I ask you in the number 3, a diet that contain all the nutrients in right amount is called a okay. What I ask you in the number 3, write the name of that diet, means all the nutrient present in that diet. Which name you have to give that diet? Write the name. This is the 1, 2 and 3. I explain you in Hindi also. The midday meal is a program launched by the government in midday meal scheme government ने launch की है for which place, किस जगह के लिए? Write the name of the place. The small intestine is the longest organ of which system? In our body there are so many systems, through that our body functioning. So the part in the which types of system the small intestine take a part. Okay, now the number 3, the diet that contains all the nutrients in right amount is called a. What is the name of that diet? Write the name. Okay, I don't write here name. After the, if you watched my video, after that I send you answer, all the answer. Okay. Now the number 4. Now the number 4, water also helps in the blank of food. What we write here? Water also helps in the food. So what is the role of the water in the which system? Now the name of the system also given in your this chapter. Okay, read the book and write your answer here. Now the number 5. What is the meaning of this question? Water also helps in the of food. Means पानी किस सिस्टम में, हमारी बॉडी के किस सिस्टम को फंक्शनिंग में या टेक हिस्सा लेता है. राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट सिस्टम. नंबर 5, डाइजेशन of food begin in the, write the name of that part. From where our digestion process start? What is the name of that part? कहाँ से शुरू होता है हमारा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम? डाइजेशन प्रोसेस कहाँ से पहले शुरू होती है? राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट पार्ट. नंबर 6, द फूड पाइप is also called, means what is the other name of the food pipe? Write that name here. What is the another name of the food pipe? Write that name here. फूड पाइप का एक दूसरा नाम और क्या है? राइट देयर, वहां लिखना है आपको. नंबर 7, दी essential substances in food are called. What is present in our food? The substances present in our food. What is the name of that substances? Write the name here. Okay, each and every food, whatever you have in your daily routine, they give you any thing. What is the name of that thing? We give them name. Whatever we get from our food, that substance is present in the food. The name of that thing, right there. क्या होता है हमारे खाने में? उस सब्सटेंस को हम क्या कहते हैं? There are so many substances present in our food item because we have different food in our daily routine. हम अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें खाते हैं, तो अलग अलग तरह का हमें सब्सटेंसेस मिलता है, तो उसका नाम क्या है आपको लिखना है. ओके. नाउ नंबर 8, a liquid, that is the number 8, a liquid form in mouth which helps in swallowing food is called what is the number 8? A liquid form in mouth. Which types of liquid form in our mouth? That is the lassie, which helps in swallowing food. So name of that liquid, and basically this liquid excreted from the gland. I also explain you the name of that gland and name of that liquid also. That is not water. That is the one types of lassie liquid. Clear? The name of that liquid. A liquid form in mouth which helps in swallowing food is called. Okay. What is the name of that watery substance? Write their name. Clear? Now the 4 number, water also helps in the which thing? If you enter any food item in your mouth, so water also helps for that. What happened with your food? Write the name of that. Digestion of food begins in the means when your digestion process start. From which part of your body start? Okay, 6 number, the food is also called, the food pipe is also called. What is the another name of food pipe? Write the name. The 7 number, the essential substances in food are called. What is the name of that substances? We give them one particular name. Now 8 number, the liquid form in the mouth which helps in swallowing food is called. For the answer you have to read the chapter. You got all the answer of these questions. Okay. Now the number 9. Breaking down of food into simplex simpler substances is called. What is the name of that system? Write the name of that system. Breaking down of food into simpler substances is called. What is the name of that thing? Right here. खाने को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बांटना, simpler form में बनाना. What is the name of that process? Write the name. Now the number 10. Blank provide us heat and energy. Which food product provide us heat and energy? Write the name of that food product. Are that substance. Write the name of that nutrient that give us heat and energy. Means it make our body warm and also provide us energy. Clear? To write that name of that nutrient. Clear? Now, so student, this is the 10 fill in the blanks completed here, but I don't write the answer. Why? Because I give you time. When you watching video, you write your answer in the notebook, and after the sometimes I will send you the answer of this fill in the blanks. So you match the answer with your answer, okay? With my answer. Clear? Whatever I send you answer of this question, you have to match with that. Clear? Now, our question number 2 is, I send you all the things, okay? So you have to solve it. Now the question number 2, that is the true and false. State true or false. Read the sentence carefully and mark your answer here, okay? ढोकला, थेपला is a famous dish of Tamil Nadu. Okay, write your answer here. Clear? Now the number 2. What is the number 2? ढोकला and थेपला is a famous dish of Tamil Nadu. क्या तमिलनाडु का famous dish ढोकला और थेपला है? Tick your answer. Now the next question is, some food items are frozen before eaten. What is the meaning of this question? Some food items are frozen before eaten. Frozen means you have to keep that food item in the freezer. Clear? Suppose if you want to eat ice cream, so before eating you have to put them in the freezer. Why? Because it freeze for the eating. Okay? Now student, I complete my lecture here. I send you only that is the fill in the blanks. Okay? In the worksheet form, and I explain you. Now rest of the thing I send you in the next lecture. Now I'll over my lecture here. Bye bye.